Good morning, dear students. Today I have something very interesting topic for you. The name of the topic is sentences. So now quickly I ask you some questions. In here, what can you say? A L P E P S. What is the word? Can you frame the word? This is an apple. Very good. And you can see the apples are red here. So now let me ask you another question. Can you frame the sentences properly? It is written, sweet are apples. So is it a proper sentence? Sweet are apples? Do you say sentences like this? No. Let me show you how do you say this sentence. Yes, apples are sweet. And you can see in this picture the apples are looking very fresh and they are sweet. Now let me show you another picture. What is written here? Juice, fruit, children love. Can you rearrange the sentence with the proper meaning? Let me repeat the sentence. Juice, fruit, children love. Yes. Now let's look at it. The sentence should be children love fruit juice. So just see the difference. A sentence should always have a proper meaning. So what have you understood? We have understood that a sentence is a group of words that are used to make a complete sense. So in that way, it is used to arrange and to make the proper meaning. Now let me ask you some more sentences. So examples are Priya likes her new bicycle. The cat jumped on the bed. David went to the park. My dad is cleaning his car. See, in each of the sentences, you can well understand the meaning. All the sentences carries a proper meaning and it makes a complete sense. So let's do recap. A sentence is a group of words that are used to make a complete sense. Next, a sentence should always contain at least one verb. Verb is the doing word in any sentence. Now let's see these sentences. From the previous slide, I have collected all the sentences. Just show what are the verbs used in the sentences. Priya likes new bicycle. Here I have highlighted the word like with red ink is the verb. It means in the sentence Priya likes her new bicycle. Likes is the verb. In the same way, second sentence, the cat jumped on the bed. Jumped is highlighted and that is the verb used in this sentence. In the third sentence, David went to the park. Went is the verb used here, and in the last sentence, my dad is cleaning his car. Is cleaning is the doing verb is used here. So what have you learned in this slide? A sentence should always contain at least one verb in all the sentences. Here, likes, jumped, went, is cleaning are examples of verb. Next, we have a sentence always begins with a capital letter and always ends with full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So we are playing in the garden. In this sentence, W is the capital letter and full stop is used in this sentence. Second sentence, why is he not studying? In this sentence, W is the capital letter and question mark is used here. In last sentence, we have written, wow, it is so beautiful. In this, W is capital letter and then exclamation mark is used in this sentence. So, what have you learned? Do you know? We have learned that sentences are a group of words that are used to make a complete sense. It should always contain at least one verb and it should always begin with a capital letter and must be in full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Now here I have some question for you to practice at home. These sentences are written not in exact proper order. What have you do? You have to use sentences, rewrite it in correct order. So I hope that you have understood what is the sentences and you will be able to complete reordering these sentences properly. Thank you.